Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now remember, Terra Classic have been getting a lot of support from Binance and also from other crypto coins and some whales coming in to buy and hold Terra Classic. Even Kucoin has also been supporting Terra Classic coin. Now remember, based on daily volume, Binance are now controlling about 47 to 52% of Terra Classic daily volume. I know Binance are really doing well for Terra Classic, and these guys, I can say, and let me just borrow the word, Binance are the backbone of Terra Classic coin right now. CC is really pushing Terra Classic coin now, but according to Terra Classic statistics, you discover that Uniswap V3, of course LUNA3, holds about 5.2496% of Terra Classic. That is a lot of coins. This is the highest holder of Terra Classic according to Terra Classic statistics. And after them, you start talking about the next one is about 4.9%. I believe Terra Classic, when you take a look at the statistics of holders of Terra Classic, unlike other crypto coins, you discover the top 10 holders are actually holding almost 90%. These holders are, most of these coins, these holders are actually those ones controlling that particular coin. Anything can happen. But when it comes for Terra Classic coin, you only mention the top two are holding about 10% of Terra Classic. We now have people holding 0.01, 0.03. So I love the fact that that statistics is like that, and I believe that with the support from other crypto exchanges, this coin is going to rise. We all know what happened to Terra Classic. Of course, we understand people lost a lot, and I believe this coin can still help people recover some of their loss. So buying coin, buying Terra Classic now and holding it for some years will definitely end up giving you a lot of money. That is, if Terra Classic keep increasing, especially if Bitcoin keep increasing. And I believe that Terra Classic will be hitting $1 in future. It's going to be amazing, because those that actually bought Terra Classic right now will be making a lot of money. Terra Classic is going to create millionaires, just like the way Terra Classic took away millionaires from other people's name. Let me just put it that way. And I believe before the end of this year, we might be hoping for this coin to reach 1 penny. Yes, and if Terra Classic can even go more than that, it all depends on how the exchanges actually decide to partner with Terra Classic coin. Now, if you want to buy Terra Classic coin, remember to buy what you can afford to lose. That is the golden rule. And I believe me, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. And let's hope that 2023 will become a better year for cryptocurrency in general.